So we're just going to look at Circus Act bars 10 to 14. And I know you've got all these little videos on all the different sections, but definitely it's a very good idea to spend quite a bit of time, if you're practicing this, listening to the complete playthrough so that you understand how it all fits together. Okay, I wasn't sure if we'd covered bar 10 in another video or not, so we're just going to add it in. So there's, in bar 10, the left hand doesn't play anything at all. The right hand has just got one long note that lasts for the whole bar, and it is C. So for me, it's my highest C, so it probably will be your highest C as well. So there we go. You just play it with the second finger, and that's going to last for 3 counts. Okay, so on to bar 11. Let's look at the right hand. So we've had this chord before. This was the first chord that you played in the piece. So it's third finger, or second finger if you prefer, on C, not middle C, but the C above, 2 empty strings and thumb on F. So that chord there, okay? Then bar 12, you've got 2 beats of silence, and then you are going to play this chord, which again you've had before. So F and A, okay? So, and then you move on to this chord, A and C, which you've also had before, but the rhythm is different, okay? So if you remember, in line 1, all of the chords were equal and they all lasted a whole bar. So it was like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, yeah? Okay, this is different, so just watch out for it. So if I play you from bar 11, it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Do you want to hear it again? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So did you hear that this chord here came on the 3rd beat of bar 12, and then this one comes on the 1st beat of the next bar. So I'll just play it for you one more time. So well, let's go from bar 10, okay? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, yeah? And bar 14, the right hand doesn't have anything to do, okay? So in looking at the left hand, bar 10, nothing for the left hand to do. Bar 11, we're back to our chas, okay? So, and exactly the same as before, 3rd finger on F, 2nd finger on A, thumb on C. And so bar 11, 12 and 13 are all cha-cha bars, and then bar 14 is just one of those cha bars, okay? So I will play you the left hand for bars 11 to 14. Okay, and now we'll go back to bar 10 and I will put it hands together. And I'll count as well, because I think that maybe helps. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So I think the things to really look out for here are that the rhythm is different from what it was at the beginning. And also in bar 14, just remember it's an cha, not an cha, cha.